Yep, that's a race car.
Where?
You're in it right now. Hello. I'm filming now. Making a movie. Hi, little racer.
Hi, little racer.
Race cars at Daddy's work.
This is my car. It's Daddy's work because I don't like this car every day when it's dusty in there, noise and all stuff. This is quite even. This car is almost in 2 hours.
Okay. Hey, bud, can you close the door, please? With you on this side. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, look at the rest.
This is quite good. Chewy car because I don't want this. Don't want this crap. So kind of lefty or this kind of sunglass one. But it's stuff, but that was not even.
Okay, let's look at some more. Let's go back and look at the others.
Go back and look at the others.
Yep.
You know this. You know these cars because I don't understand every day on this side. And this side is the third car because I don't like this one even though because I don't like it. And that's even this one I got because I just not driving it yet. So we can take me because these doesn't do anything.
You can't get out of it, bud.
What?
Shut the door, please.
Okay.
With you outside. Bud. Oliver Winston, get out of the car, please.
In the car?
Out of the car.
Why?
Because I asked you to.
This is quite weird because I got a lot of there.
Well, race cars make Mommy nervous, buddy. No, race cars don't make me nervous. 4-year-olds near race cars make me nervous. Okay, bud, this is the end of the row. Oops. You okay? Okay, little race car obsessor. Let's go back to Daddy, buddy. Okay, we're going to stop closing and opening those doors. Let's go back. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Turn around, say hi.
Hi.
To me.
Hi.
Hi.
I want to sit every day. These big cars, because I don't want to just blow these mirrors.
Hey, bud. Yeah, we're going to close the door now. Come on. Oh, thank God.
Hi, Dad.
Crap in my pants with him playing with these cars.
Sorry.
It's not right. No, stop
Not the only little
asking.
kid. He's not the only little kid.
I'm like, get out of the car.
Wow.
Smile, Daddy.
Get out. Gotta be gentle with these cars.
Smile, Daddy.
Dad, get in.
I'm filming.
Buddy.
Close the door.
Ryan Min. My 4-year-old wants to start a race car. That's just great. Told you.